Good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Good looking start to the weekend, if you include, of course, Friday as part of the weekend. And so far, we're cruising toward the weekend anyway. On a very tranquil, very summer-like note. We have some variety ahead of us, though. We've got warm, humid weather in store for today, Saturday and Sunday. Less humid and sunny and pleasant. It looks terrific. Now, if you're hoping for rain, and we all are at this point, a deficit now exceeds 8 inches. We are 8 inches below normal for rainfall for the entire year of 2021. That's a lot of rain. That I can't remember being that deficient in rainfall in the past decade. Probably more than that since we've had this exact scenario playing out. Now, we do have rain chances, some tonight and some Sunday night. So during the daylight hours, we're good to go. The weekend offers rain chances as well, and again at night. So right now, here's our quality group camera from CC Heights. Plenty of sunshine. From here, we'll make our way to the mid-80s. It's going to be a breezier day than recent days. Every bit as humid as recent days, and high temperatures will be very similar to what we've had the past 2 days. In fact, 84 has been the high here in Rochester for both Wednesday and Thursday. And again, today, looking at high temperatures right around 84 again, so it may be a triple threat or a hat trick or something like that. Anyway, we're going to 84 right around that for this afternoon, and it's going to feel like it's about 90 when you factor in that dew point that later today will be right around 70. So a warm, breezy and kind of steamy afternoon. Anyway, the good news situation for us, though, with that rain chance headed our way. Not a ton of rain out of that, but at least something to talk about. It's been more than a week since we've had rain. Sunshine today, a few fair weather clouds this afternoon. 84 the expected high here in Rochester. Sunset 8:06. That's not a typo. I believe I made a lot of typos, but that was not one. 8:06 is sunset. We have to get used to that. It's by this time next week, sunset will be before 8 o'clock. Sign of things to come. Anyway, 64 the current temperature right now in Rochester as we approach 8 o'clock, just about 10 minutes before the hour. And dew point 63, air pressure is steady. We have the day planner today talking about 80s. Right now we're in the 60s. Rochester 64, that is at the airport. 70 in Austin, 65 Mesa City, Decorah 68. Some fair weather clouds, a fair amount of sunshine still ahead of us. There are showers and thunderstorms to our west. Those are the approaching cold front. That front will swing into the area tonight, triggering some thunderstorms. Now, as has been the case last several times we've had thunderstorms, we also have that threat of severe weather. Slight risk of severe weather, and latest from the Storm Prediction Center has the best chance for severe weather for the far western part of the area, but most likely west of us altogether. We're going to have a chance of maybe a couple strong storms locally after about 9 o'clock, but as the activity moves through Rochester, I'm heading toward the Mississippi River. We'll say it'll be weakening, so a marginal risk of maybe just a couple of strong storms. But again, 9 o'clock tonight until about 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. So right around the midnight hour tonight. That's level 2 out of 5 of the Storm Prediction Center. Slight risk of severe weather. Primary concern, damaging wind gusts. So you could have some tree branches down, things like that. Otherwise, hail is possible up to about 1 inch in diameter. And tornado risk can't be ruled out, but the greater risk is still well west of us at this point for late today and tonight. Severe weather risk tomorrow, meantime, blank. Nothing happening tomorrow. Sunday, severe weather risk comes back. It's going to be in the evening, late evening, in fact, for us. Activity gets strong to the west in the afternoon and evening. Activity then rolls in around 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Similar time frame. May have a couple of strong storms, but a very low risk of that Sunday night as it stands right now. Here's future cast. Some sunshine, a few fair weather clouds. Here's that line of thunderstorms coming in. Weakening as it gets here. We'll have some activity still around, but the strongest activity west of Rochester as it stands right now. Tomorrow, clouds at first, then some sunshine. Nice little northwest breeze, drier air, so humidity will be dropping through the course of the day. Temperatures tomorrow reaching the upper 70s. And then 70s with lighter winds under high pressure on Sunday. Thunderstorms to the west will roll in again for Sunday night. We'll have a couple additional isolated smaller doses of thunderstorms in the middle of next week as the pattern does look a little busier than it has been the last 7 to 10 days. 84 today in Rochester, 88 Austin, 86 Preston, some sun, some clouds, a bit of a breeze, humidity, dew points in the low 70s, heat indices around 90 heading into the afternoon. Thunderstorms likely tonight, some strong storms still possible between 9 and midnight, maybe just a little beyond. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, clouds at first, then mostly sunny, less humid northwest breeze at times 20 miles per hour, even stronger. 77 for our Saturday 7-day outlook. We'll start with a 3-day outlook from Sunday through early next week. Thunderstorms Sunday night. Again, parts of Tuesday may feature just a brief shower or rumble of thunder. Highs in the 80s, and then we go back to the 70s for a stretch of next week. Good stretch of weather as we get a little bit closer to the tail end of August. That I believe is the final full week in August that we're facing in the next week, but it's still some decent weather, rain chances. We could use some rain. That's good. We also have a lot of sun and some very comfortable August temperatures for the most part. 70s and low 80s. Good old-fashioned summer weather. In the meantime, here's the thing. Be weather aware tonight with the strong storms. A few of them may be severe. And otherwise, just enjoy the weather. We have some terrific weather in store for today and the weekend. And, of course, we saw the 7-day. It looks good next week for the most part as well. So have a great weekend. I'll see you back here next Thursday. Why? Because I'm going to a weather conference. So that's going to fill my brain with new knowledge, I guess. But I will talk to you next week. Have a great weekend.